سابق وزیر خارجہ اور امریکہ دورے پر گئے ہوئے پاکستانی مشن کے سربراہ بلاول بھٹو نے کہا ہے کہ جنگ بندی کو پائیدار بنانے کے لیے بین الاقوامی برادری کو اپنا کردار ادا کرنا ہوگا۔ انہوں نے بین الاقوامی برادری پر زور دیا کہ تنازع کشمیر کے حل اور سندھ طاس معاہدے کے معاملے پر متحرک ہوں۔
Ceasefire. In order for this to be a lasting ceasefire, we appeal to the international community to play its role, because Pakistan has said that they're willing to talk. There's only one country that says they're not willing to talk, and that's India. So obviously that's not a sustainable situation, and therefore it is our effort to engage the international community, for them to play their role to establish peace, which must include resolving the issue of Kashmir, resolving the Indus water dispute that India has now started illegally, and having a proper conversation about terrorism.